The model I shared today, it's a pattern like in the part. After that, you will have a hand. Open it up like this and attach it. And this is the material. I use a soft cloth. So now we're going to go into the template design. And to make this model, my sisters need to prepare the measurement part. Shoulder measurement, neck measurement, chest measurement, waist measurement, buttock measurement. Waist length. The number next to each will be different. So I need to prepare the measurements so that it fits in size S, size L, size M, size L size. You just need to put the measurement in. I will take this shirt back to 55. Across a road. And then you're going to shoulder to shoulder. Shoulder level is equal to shoulder divided by 2 is equal to 32. 16 across the street is 16. Down to 4. If you take her and divide her by 30, 5 is equal to 6. Then I connected it below. If you lower your breasts, you will be breasts divided by 5. And 80 divided by 5 is equal to 1 divided by 5 plus 2, you add 2. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took down a road that was 18. And then we'll make a perpendicular line across it. Then you're going to take it across your chest. Divide by 4 plus by 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. One way is 22. After that, you build a perpendicular line. Then to gasoline. And then this part goes from top to bottom. You will take this. Lower waist is equal to 35. Then you can get your waist back. Divide by 4 sisters plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18, and I'm going to get 18. And then this hip, you take the hip. Divide by 4 sisters plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. Here you go on to petrol. And this neck is the neck of the boat. From here you go back to 4. So I painted the old part. This neck is 6 inches later. I finished painting the back. By using this previous body, you can add to petrol. Then I connected. This drops 1 raw 0.7. Then this neck is connected. Then we'll get the body. Front and back of the shirt. Now I will cut. The model is that I don't have a seam. You have to leave the seams when we cut on the fabric. And then after you've done the cutting, the body later, you're going to cut it, follow the color line. Red Ha peeled off a millimeter of gasoline. Here we'll get the back body. Body later the sister multiplies for a double cloth. As for the previous body, I will follow the blue line. I cut the lid to blue. Here we'll get the body. As for the previous body, it will be the sticky part. That's why you're going to put this front body here. On top of another piece is this piece. I glued it in. Now that I have posted it, you will leave here. From down here, it's going to be a straight line. Down here, we're not expanding, that we're going to extend up the road. So it's from this part. You will put the ruler perpendicular from this angle. Turn it right. Down here, you're going to turn it right. So let's adjust it to a right angle like this. From this end. If the old line is full, you have this point. We'll need it. You'll fix it. This line. It's become a right angle, and from this right angle, the new sisters cut open. For the upper neck. So from this collar, here it is. It's here. Then you'll turn around. Turn the neck out this way. It becomes a perpendicular line. From this part, you expand it to a section where it's 11 petrol centimeter. And we'll cut it for the new body. This part you may pull the breast, go back to the section above. This is the winning part. You may be familiar with the neck. It will be equal to the original neck. Remember, this line we have to fix is a corner. Here, you'll get the first dung like this. This will be a double handbag. Shit first. Multiplied for 1. After you've done it, we'll draw for the hand. I'm going to measure this armpit. This is 21. Later I measured 22. And now you're going to draw for the sleeve. I painted this shirt a little differently than before. Here, I'll take the lower chest. Lower armpit Asia is equal to chest divided by 10 plus 3. 80 divided by 10 plus 3, you get. Plus 5 is 13. Then you put up a perpendicular line. Then we're going to take a line. A ladder before 2 plus its line, the next ladder is 21. So we get 43 divided by 2 and 1.5. I'll take 2.5 and put them here. I split in 2. Then, you'll be able to draw a normal sleeve. It has a long arm. Okay. Now to this part of the sleeve, it's normal. It has a long arm, but it will be different. This hand is different from the previous hands, and when we're done, maybe you can transfer it. Double this. It comes back here. When you move this double line back, the living part is up here. The upper hand here, you will expand. Raw. Stretch it out with a blow. You guys put this paste in here for me. Then we'll get to the middle. This hand is it. Just like the original hand. Just like the original hand. This new hand will have a picture. The shape is that it will expand. Here it's going to expand on top of the head. I can see my hips are going to roll from the live stream, and you open it up. Then the expansion. This is my way out from the middle of it. I'll give you 7 petrol. Then there's the end of this hand. I'm going to go in a circle. From here are the 7 gas lines. I'm done beating. Bend the sleeve like this. Then I'll cut the new arm. I will get a new hand. It's expanded like this, ladies. When you're lucky, it expands. At the bottom of the road, it will close. And the part above, when you are lucky, it's that these two things will have a tenacity to each other. It's going through like this. It's on this side of the road. You can see it through your hips. And down here, it's going to extend this arm. There and here, you'll put the part. Get in the sleeve. Then I'll get a hand like the picture. This is a new hand model from the basic hand model. And I wish you success. Thank you. Hi. See you later.